As an educator, you likely have a lot of digital resources that you need to store. It wasn't that long ago that we needed to keep physical copies of everything, and then it evolved into storing information on disks or flash drives that you could take with you. Well, we're now in the digital age, and this is where a tool like Microsoft's OneDrive can be so extremely valuable. With cloud storage, such as OneDrive, the game has changed considerably. OneDrive is Microsoft's file hosting service that allows you to save your documents, spreadsheets, images, videos, and more in the cloud so you can access them from anywhere you have an internet connection. This is similar to other cloud storage tools like Google Drive and Dropbox. From my Office 365 dashboard, I'm going to navigate to OneDrive. This opens up my account, and as you can see, I already have some things in it. So if you don't already have an account, you can get a free OneDrive account with 5 gigabytes of data. If you have an Office 365 account, you'll have 1 terabyte of storage, which is a ton. In this short chapter, we'll take a quick look at OneDrive, including how you can store files and share them with others. If you'd like to learn more about OneDrive, I recommend checking out the course Learning OneDrive in our library. Now, as you can see here, I have 3 different folders that already appear inside of here. One for LinkedIn for students, LMS, and reading documents. There are numbers on these folders, and they are telling me how many documents are inside. What I want to do right now is to show how I can quickly upload a lesson plan that I have into my OneDrive account. Now, in order to do this, I can go up to the top and click on Upload. From here, I can select Files or Folders. I'll click on File. And on my desktop, I have a lesson plan document that I would like to save in here. As you can see, it says it's uploading it. And then, just like that, it appears in here. Now, the beauty of this is that I can access this now, again, from anywhere that I have an internet connection and from any of my devices. Now, another thing that I'd like to do is to create a folder. And with that folder, I want to put in some classroom starters that I would like to use. So in here, I'm going to go to New Folder. I'll type in Classroom Starters, and then I'll click on Create. As you can see, I just created a brand new folder, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And once inside of this folder, I want to go to Upload, Files, and from here I have 5 of these on my desktop that I want to save. So in other words, here I'm going to click on the first one, then I'll press the Shift key, click on that one, it'll select all of them, and then I'll click Open. Now, as you can see, it's uploading those 5 items, and they will appear inside of this folder. So there they are. Now, if I back out of here, you'll see that I have that Classroom Starters folder that appears. And if I refresh my screen, it's telling me that there are 5 documents inside of it. Now, one other thing that you might have noticed is the fact that up here, when I click on New, it allows me to create a new document that I can create right inside of OneDrive and then store here. So I can do that with Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoints. You can use Excel forms and more. So not only can you save things that you already have created, but you can also create new things right inside of here. So this is a great way to store things in the cloud, giving you easy access to them from anywhere you have an internet connection. I highly suggest checking out OneDrive and utilizing it for your class.